Good morning, everyone. Bed hair going on here, but I've decided to dye my hair, and this is the amount of uncertainty I've got going on here, but I'm going to do one of them. I can never decide which one to do, like which colour to go for, so I end up buying them all. I got blonde. That's what my mum gave me. Red and black I got about last week, because I didn't know whether to go red, and then I was indecisive because thinking it would look a bit funny around the sides. So I got black just in case everything went wrong with either of those. And then I got the urge to do silver. Oh, I don't know. There's a part of me that just really wants to stick the red on, but I think I'm going to go silver. So we're going to stick on Urban Metallics Schwarzkopf Live Metallic Silver. Right, so my hair at the moment is actually got some hairspray in it and some pixie cream wax stuff from work yesterday, because I was at work. So I started my hair from work, making it look alright. And then I get home, had a bath, and I didn't wash my hair because I'm stupid. Anyway, I'm going to stick on this one, which I'm really looking forward to. But at the same time, I'm really nervous because I don't want to come out like really, like, I don't want it to look dull, dirty, ashy, grey. I want it to be like silver, and I don't know. So I've got like natural, I don't know. Let's just stick it on and see what happens. So I'm going to get on. Do I bother changing? No, I can't be bothered. I'm just going to try and play it safe. Get all the contents out and just go for it. So this is what the colour shades are. I'm between these two, so I'm hopeful. So to mix this up, all you do is put that one with that one. That is it. There's no other extras or whatever. You've got your conditioner for after. How do I look like? And that's it. So let's just mix these together and slap it on. Give it a shake. Right. We've got some shitty gloves. Always get these with Schwarzkopf. You always get shitty gloves. Those big carrier bag type ones. Hate them. Right. Here we go. Okay, so at the back, I've got a little thing I need to explain actually, because otherwise it's going to look really odd when I do my little turn at the end. So I shaved my head again the other day. I've done a 2 from like here going up, and then I've left 4 in the centre because I want to grow the centre part going down. So I'll show you now. Bear in mind it's a bloody mess. So yeah, we've got the 2 at the side, and then we've got the 4 in the middle, and again the 2 going across the side here. Yeah, it's a work in process, but you can't just make your hair grow like that overnight, so I've got to just roll with it. So, shitty gloves are on. We're about to get silver. Completely covered. I'm going to leave it on for about half an hour, about 30 minutes. Yeah, and see how it comes out. Hopefully it won't take too long, to be fair, because I was quite light in places and there's barely any hair there. Okay, I'm absolutely bricking it. I don't think I've ever felt this worried about taking a towel off my head, purely because I've cut so much of my hair off. I really liked being light, but I wanted to be silver. If it hasn't gone silver, my only other option is to go red or black, and I really don't want to do it just yet. Let's just do it. Oh, it's still quite golden, but it does look. Oh! Oh. Do you think it's come out alright? I actually thought I'd probably come out like green. I used a Garnier, I think it's Garnier, I'll have to dig it out. It's in like a silver capsule type thing. I used that as a conditioner instead because it's blue and it's for blondes. Right, I'm going to dry it. So before I dry it, I'm going to do what I normally do with my hairs, and I put in drying it just because I want to see the colour. I need to do everything that I normally do, and I put on my No Haircut Cream leave-in stuff by L'Oreal. This is to help the ends, which I put on every single time. Not that much. Oh god, it smells so good. Okay, do I like it? Honestly, no. I just don't. I've dried it, I haven't styled it yet. I just think it looks, I don't know, blue? Do you know what I mean? I don't know what the back looks like. I won't be able to see until I've edited this or gone back. But it looks like I've gone blonde and then put on a toner for too long. I'm not sure I'm liking this one. I'm not styling it with my products because I normally do a funky little do and up, but I'm not going to because I don't know if I'm going to keep this, and I don't want to put a load of gel and stuff in it if I'm actually going to dye it in about 10 minutes time. I don't know, but that's the result. That's the result. If you've got highlighted like light golden blonde hair that's highlighted with like white and light blonde streaks, this is the result. This is the result. I look so funny right now because it's not styled, but that colour just to me looks, I don't know if it's like it in the mirror, I've not looked in the mirror. That colour looks too blue. Like I've left toner in far too long. Oh, gutted. Let's go in the natural light. Can't see because it's so bright. Don't like it. Right then, which one of you bitches is going on my head? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to do something about this now because I'm not styling it the whole time. I don't like this colour. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again in my next one.